It's the new truck HOWO 6x4 NX dump truck. Let's check the detail one by one. This is a fully remanufactured quality level. Let's do it from the front to the back, from top to bottom. First we can see this big face protector. It's not the bumper, it's a face protector to protect here. This is a brand new cabin, NX brand new cabin. It's inside. Everywhere new, because the cabin comes as it is, brand new cabin. Let's check what's inside. The bed, the roof, stereo, and the gearbox is 10 forward, 2 speed reverse. This is driver's seat.